Hello guys, good morning, good morning, good morning. Ngayong araw na ito ay tayo ay pupunta sa North Cedar Farm. Ating pupuntin kung ano mayroon dito sa loob. Pasyal-pasyal muna tayo at fruit picking muna tayo doon. At tingnan natin kung ano mayroon dito sa loob ng North Cedar Farm. Tara, samahan niyo mo guys. Let's go! So guys, travel tayo ngayon outside Oaxaca. It's 75 kilometers, 1 hour drive from Doha. So going far muna tayo. So, tara. So, it's entrance to North Cedar Farm. Medyo bako-bakoy ka.
A few moments later.
So ayan guys, dumating na kami guys. Medyo maaga yung dating namin dito. Medyo sarado pa.
Later.
So, hello guys, I'm here sa my North Cedar Farm. Let us see what's inside. Hello. Mabuti po. We're here inside the North Cedar Farm. Yes, where you can pay or where you can buy some vegetables. Yeah, fresh vegetables. How much is the eggplant? 10 real, one. Ah, okay. Later, after we buy, after going outside. Yan, so guys, see what, there are lots of fresh vegetables here. So ayan guys, maraming masyal dito. Ayan guys, let's go. Ayan. Also there is oryx. Nilagay inside ayan guys, mga oryx. National animal of Qatar. Dito rin pala sila. Ayan. So, dito ulit tayo para sisilipin na naman natin ulit ang mga oryx. So, ayan guys, pagpasok mo mga abang sa'yo is yung mga animals. Ayan. So, dito sa Cedra, mayroong vegetable picking area. Mamaya tingnan natin ano yung mga pwedeng pikasin. Yan, may kabayo dito. So, ayan guys, may zebra din dito pala. Oh, ang liit. Yan yung donkey. Hello, donkey. So, ayan, may donkey din pala dito. Hello. Hello, donkey. Hello, come here. Hello. Ay, bait ah. Bait ng donkey ah. Hey, come here. Ay, galing. Ang galing guys. Oh, grabe. Ayan siya oh. Oh, nawakan ko. Hello, donkey. Come here. Hello. How much is the vegetable coupon picking? There? So guys, let us explore the world of farm, the world of animals. Here at Sidra Farm, North Sidra Farm. Hello! Hi! So yan guys, so mayroong usa dito, nagulat ako. Mayroon pala dito sa gilid. Wala, grabe! Uy! Grabe ang sungay niya guys, oh. Come here. Hey, how are you? What's your name? I'm here to visit you. Hi. I'm here again to see you animals. Oh, umubo ka. Guys, yan oh. Naputol yung sungay ng isang usa. I think gutom ito. Gutom itong ano na to. Yung kambing na to. Hello. Hi. Hi, nice to see you. Nice to see you again. Here comes another kambing. Goat. Hi, goat. Oo. It's very playful. Ah, they are playful? Hi? Grabe. So, ayan guys, it's nice to be back again in the animal park, in the zoo. At the same time, we'll go here and pick some fresh vegetables inside. I can smell the fresh air blowing above us. This place is very nice, no? Very natural. Wow. One container of strawberries, maximum two per person container to enter. Ah, okay.
And if you did, make sure to hit the subscribe button. We try to upload 2 videos a day. And please help and support my channel.